Hi guys, welcome to my channel Retro Quiz. Welcome to our quiz about retro cars. You'll test your knowledge of iconic models that defined an era. Rules. You'll see a picture of a classic car and 4 answer options. Only one answer is correct, and each correct answer gives you 1 point. Try to get the perfect score of 10 points. Ready? Let's go.
Question 1. This iconic American pickup debuted with a stylish wraparound windshield in the 1950s. A. 1955 Chevrolet Task Force. B. 1953 Ford F-150C. 1957 Dodge Sweepside. D. 1956 Studebaker Transtar. Correct answer A. 1955 Chevrolet Task Force. Fun fact: the Chevrolet Task Force series was one of the first trucks to offer a factory-installed V8 engine. Friends, welcome to my channel. Help me reach an important goal: 500 subscribers. Subscribe right now to support me and inspire the creation of new content. Your support means so much to me. Question 2. This pickup introduced the famous step-side bed design. A. 1948 Dodge Power Wagon. B. 1947 Chevrolet Advanced Design. C. 1951 Ford F1. D. 1950 GMC New Design. Correct answer C. 1951 Ford F1. Fun fact: the Ford F1 step-side design allowed for easier access to the bed while retaining a sleek look. Question 3. This rugged off-road pickup was based on a military vehicle. A. 1946 Willys Jeep Truck. B. 1952 Dodge Power Wagon. C. 1948 International KB3. D. 1950 Chevrolet 3100. Correct answer B. 1952 Dodge Power Wagon. Fun fact: the Dodge Power Wagon was the first civilian 4x4 truck built for heavy-duty use. Question 4. This sleek pickup was the first to feature car-like styling and a unibody design. A. 1961 Ford Ranchero. B. 1957 Chevy Cameo Carrier. C. 1959 El Camino. D. 1958 Dodge Sweepline. Correct answer B. 1957 Chevy Cameo Carrier. Fun fact: the Cameo Carrier blended truck utility with automotive elegance, setting a trend for upscale pickups. Question 5. This international pickup combines simplicity and reliability. A. 1957 International Harvester A100B. 1956 Studebaker E-Series C. 1949 Hudson Big Boy D. 1950 Willys Jeep Truck. Correct answer A. 1957 International Harvester A100. Fun fact: International Harvester trucks were favored by farmers for their toughness and durability. Question 6. This pickup was the first to offer a factory-installed turbo diesel engine. A. 1959 Dodge D100. B. 1963 Chevrolet CK Series. C. 1961 Ford Econoline. D. 1960 GMC 1000. Correct answer D. 1960 GMC 1000. Fun fact: the GMC 1000 was ahead of its time, catering to customers seeking more power and better fuel efficiency. Question 7. This post-war pickup helped rebuild America's economy with its reliability. A. 1946 Ford Pickup. B. 1947 Chevrolet Advanced Design. C. 1948 Dodge Job Rated. D. 1949 GMC New Design. Correct answer, B. 1947 Chevrolet Advanced Design. Fun fact: the Advanced Design series was America's first all-new post-war truck, offering improved comfort and practicality. Question 8. This classic pickup was the first to feature a four-door crew cab design. A. 1961 Dodge D-Series. B. 1963 Ford F-Series. C. 1960 Chevy Apache. D. 1958 International Harvester Travelette. Correct answer, D. 1958 International Harvester Travelette. Fun fact: the Travelette's crew cab design made it a favorite among work crews and families alike. Question 9. This pickup truck was known for its innovative tailgate design. A. 1954 Chevrolet 3100. B. 1956 Ford F-100. C. 1959 Dodge Swept Side. D. 1955 GMC Blue Chip. Correct answer, C. 1959 Dodge Swept Side. Fun fact: the Dodge Swept Side featured fins inspired by Dodge's passenger cars, making it a standout model. Question 10. This pickup was one of the first to incorporate independent front suspension. A. 1955 Chevrolet Task Force. B. 1956 Studebaker Transtar. C. 1949 Ford F1. D. 1958 GMC Blue Chip. Correct answer, B. 1956 Studebaker Transtar. Fun fact: the Transtar's advanced suspension made it smoother to drive, even with heavy loads. Napishi versus pravilnie odveti odelno.
Results: 10 points. Incredible. You're a true car expert. 8 to 9 points. Great job. You know your rare cars well. 5 to 7 points. Not bad. Keep learning more about the classics. 1 to 4 points. Good attempt. There's always room to improve. 0 points. Don't worry, try again.